MindBody specifically focused on the health and wellness space and was built by people who were passionate about health and wellness. We serve health and wellness businesses all over the world.
We allow our customers to spend more time focusing on the parts of their business that they love and less time worrying about scheduling software and payroll and other day-to-day administrative work.
We want to protect customers from attacks that could hurt their business and their brand. At MindBody, we're passionate about ensuring that our customers' data is secure.
When we first approached Cloudflare, we had a lot of different tools in our security stack, and there was a lot of management overhead associated with all that kind of complexity.
I think at one point we had 4 different WAFs, a separate tool for bot management, and 2 CDNs, and we've basically managed to consolidate all of that into using just Cloudflare without losing any of the functionality or any of the protections that we had in place.
It was the kind of tool I could hand to junior analysts or senior engineers, and they would all know how to manage it pretty quickly. With our old environment, we were constantly fighting botnets and attempts to scrape our inventory, credential stuffing attacks. When we moved to Cloudflare, we were able to mitigate a lot of these kinds of attacks much easier and more consistently.
Using Cloudflare bot management, we see a lot fewer false positives with actual valid end users using our application and being flagged as a bot. We've gone from dealing with several per day to only a few per week.
With the Cloudflare Access solution, we are able to provide zero trust access to sensitive internal applications, to contractors and third-party vendors. It puts our internal applications behind strong authentication protocols and allows us to ensure that only authorized users are able to even see the service. The health and wellness industry is only going to grow. I think MindBody is going to be part of that rising tide that floats all boats. Cloudflare will help us scale and grow and secure all those services as the industry expands.